PlanQuest helps you turn your aspirations into achievements by letting you create plans, track your progress on these plans, and also prioritize your work across all the different plans. A quick overview of the UI. On the left, you have the navigation that allows you to create plans and to work with select different plans. This is a hierarchical folder based structure with plans within the folders. So let's go ahead and create a new plan. We can create one with AI using one of the templates or from scratch. We're going to create one from AI, and let's say I want to get a master's degree in AI and I currently have a bachelor's in computer science. When we hit continue, AI will generate a title for the plan and a time frame, which it decided it's a 5 milestone 6 times 6 duration in months. That makes it as 2 years and a 6-month plan. I think that's reasonable. I'm picking the start date as January 2024 for the sake of demo. So to indicate that this plan started at the beginning of this year and we're in December now. So what will happen, AI will take each one of those milestones and will start generating per each milestone, like what is the objective and what are all the key results that need to happen for that objective to be completed. So let's take a quick look at it. So here's the plan, its title, its description, all the milestones in it, where we are today with respect to the plan, and each milestone has under it all the different key results that need to be achieved for the milestone to be achieved. You can navigate quickly to milestones by clicking on the visualization at the top. Okay, so let's assume it's January 31st. I finished this key result completely, and I want to start working on this specific key result of achieving a score of minimum 320 on GRE. Maybe I could ask AI to break it down for me on like how would I go ahead and achieve that. So first I need to register. Let's say I went and did that, and I got the study material and so on. So you can see now it's helping me with a checklist of figuring out what I need to do to complete this. You could also, like, of course, manually edit all of these things and be specific of what you want to do, whether you want to track action items like tasks, or you just want to, write your notes and use this as a note-taking experience. Now, say it is beginning June, you've completed this task and you're coming here and checking how you're doing on this one, and let's say you're done with this objective. Great. So now this is in the past, and we're looking at the second objective. Okay, let's say it's now December. Since July, let's assume we added a few more key results. We discovered like additional work that needs to happen, and we basically say completed this. We decided that we don't want to do, after making some progress on this, decided that we don't want to do it anymore. It's not as relevant. And say, we realize that, we made good progress, but we're just not done yet. And we need a little bit more time than expected. So I need more than December. I need all the way, say, to the end of January. Before I make this change, it's a good idea to take a snapshot of the plan so that there's a story that builds up over time of how is the plan changing. And so let's say I go ahead and change to end of January. You'll see how the plan now is changing, where we have, in a way, now work happening across multiple milestones in the same time period. We can fix that by just leaving it as is, or by changing the time frame of the next milestone that we want to work on. So it can work that way, but let's say in our case, well, we're gonna have to work on these things in parallel because we just were late doing this one. Okay. It's also a good time to take a snapshot. And now in the gallery, you'll see we'll have a story of where we were, where we are now, and the more we take different snapshots, they'll be tagged by the time frame, and we'll get to see them over time. Also, whenever we make changes, it's a good idea to retrospect. So PlanQuest has this ability to enter reflection mode, so you can start seeing next to each milestone a note for retrospection. And for example, in this milestone, we made changes. Things did not happen as expected. So say, for example, we realized that, I did not expect I need to do some AI projects to increase my chances of being accepted. And so you can retrospect as needed. And also you can take a snapshot of that. This way your snapshots have the lessons learned that you've taken along the way when you're executing on the plan. Finally, I want to show you how to prioritize across all the different plans you have. So let's say I go to priorities here. I'm looking at a view for the full quarter from October till December. And I notice here that one of my goals, which is to doing the high quality applications, submitting the high quality applications, is one of the more important ones. But I'm gonna have to sacrifice. I need to pull in this milestone, so I can drag it up and say I want to sacrifice this one and this one, and so I can change my priorities for all these different milestones across the plan. And also this priorities view, you can jump right into the plan from this view. So let's say you're planning across all your different plans, you can jump to the specific milestone in the plan that you click on.